Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call. Today, Tuesday, the 2nd of May. Before we get started, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us kick off and let's see what's happened overnight. Pretty much not much happened last night, but in the US, pretty much every single piece of US data that was released overnight missed expectations, and yet the US dollar refused to fall, particularly the US yen, as it's been quite resilient and it's now targeting that 112 handle. Now, although some of the currency strength comes from the relief that a government shutdown was averted, but most of the resilience comes from the market's optimism in line with the Fed's Reserve FOMC announcement, which is due later in the week. Clearly, investors are hoping that the Fed will signal a rate hike in June. Could get messy, guys. If it does not come, it could get messy. Non-farm payrolls towards the end of the week as well. So there you have it. That's all that's happened overnight. Let us kick on and have a look at our chart of the day today. The chart today is, we have the GBP CHF daily. Now you can clearly see from my chart that I'm marking out a double top situation, and we have just completed an inside candle right on the key level. There it is. And essentially we have already broken, so at the time of me recording this it has just triggered. So for those of you who are interested, GBP CHF, it's ready to go. Let's see how we go. Hopefully we do better than gold yesterday. That is our chart of the day for today. Let's now have a look at what's coming up in the session that is about to unfold for us. It is a big session. We'll start off Kiwi news. We have the GDT price index. Now this is tentative, so no scheduled time, so it could come out at any time. At 8:45, which is in about 15 minutes time for me, we have employment change and an unemployment rate for New Zealand. At 11:45, focus changes over to the Aussie dollar. We have China manufacturing PMI number, and of course the big one at 2:30 for the Aussie dollar, we have the cash rate decision and the accompanying RBA statement. It's not expected that we will be changing interest rates today, but the statement is always key, and let's see what it does to the market today. Then finally at 6:30 this evening we have with the first of those PMI data releases for GBP, and this one is manufacturing, and that's at 6:30. That pretty much wraps up the major news events for this session that is about to unfold for us. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX, and most importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I will talk to you tomorrow on the daily call, and that's a bye for now.